Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to make product picture rounded corners in Shopify, and it will be a complete beginner video and I try my best to make it step by step breakdown video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, we're already landed in our shopify.com, and here if you are new in this platform, you just need to be click on start for free. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the page where you can easily create an account by clicking on sign up with email, or you can go with this 3 plan. It is really simple. I always choose Google. So once you create an account, then they will provide you a free trial for 3 days. You can use it. If you found out that this plan is utilizable for you and you found out that this is really cool, then you can go with them with the premium plan. Then I already have an account, so I will click on login. Once I click over here login, then it will redirect me to admin panel, sometimes it's called dashboard panel. So once you enter on this panel, here in the right corner you will get a notification that is I have less than a left day in my trial version. So I am also using a trial version, so you can go with this trial version. It's really cool. So let's go and let's dive into the main goal, that create our product image rounded. So how we can do it, as you can see, this you just need to be click on online store. Once you click over here, then you will get these options called view your online store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will give you this front-end design intersection. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get the options. Now here you can see the image doesn't have any rounded corner, so I want to make it rounded. So how I can do it, there's a couple of methods we have, like here you can see it, how we can make rounded corner picture in product page with Shopify. And let's hit enter the button, and here you will get the options. Like as you can see, here's a more detailed breakdown. You can access theme editor, look at the CSS file. This way you can change your all the things. So I will try my own method, that is the HTML code, because I have a little bit knowledge about HTML and CSS. That's why I choose this one. So just click over here and click on inspect. Once you click over here the inspect, just select this first options, pick an element from the page. Just click over here and pick this image. Once you click over here, then here you can see this is the options we are getting. So if I click on this plus button and then just type it here display, and then hit enter, and let's select none and add important. This is the main thing, like without having this one you are not allowed to use this one. So our code is not working, so there is some problem we find out, so we just need to be fixed it. So this way you just need to be find out the issue, and I can say that which code is working for you. So let's try it. Yeah, I think this one will be work. Like when I choose this one, here you can see our image is working. So let's go and let's try to place it, and let's try to display, because in this way I am recognizing that is this code really working or not. Yeah, it is working. So here I am going to add some border radius, and let's hit enter button, and as you can see it, I am going to add border radius 10. Okay, let's try it. Okay, initial, revert, unset. Okay, it's not working, so I just need to find out which code is work perfectly for these options. So here I'm going to add a border ratio that will be 25 pixel, and now you can see eventually that our border radius has been working. So here you can see if I copy the code, just click on inline.4, and here you will get the code, whole code. You just need to be copy this code. Once you copy this code, then you just need to be come back to this Shopify store panel, and here you just need to be select on customize. Once you click over here the customize, then you will get options. Just click the product if you want to edit the product page only. and now here you can see you are come back to this panel. So now in the left corner you can see we have this product information. We just need to be add text, select title. So you just need to find out the image options. So check this out one by one, select it, then select quick selector, call it row, buy button, description, share. So here I think variant picker, which one this, click on this product information, and here on the right corner in the bottom in the last you can see there is an option for custom CSS. Just open this one and let's paste our code in over here, and eventually you can see our body radius is working here, and let's save it. Once you click on save, then you just need to be come back on your panel and you just need to be refresh whole page, and let's check it out perfectly. Again go to the Shopify and let's start from the scratch, so we will get the issue, does we have any issue or not. Just click on logging on it. Once you click over here logging, then it will redirect you to this page, and similarly you just need to be click on this I button. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the next page where you are allowed to see the front end page. So now click on the product, like you just need to be select the product, then here you can see boom, our border radiuses, or I can say that our rounded picture product page is working perfectly in Shopify by using this options. So it is the really simplest way I can share with you. I hope you could try it on your home now and you will get the issue resolved within a second. So let's go, and we have couple of other options. So let's give you another one, that is when you copy the code. Here we pasted a code, as you can see it. You just need to copy the code and then come back to the online store and click on this product three dot button before the customize options. Just click on this one, and here you will get the options called edit code. Just open the edit code option, and here you just need to be filter some file that will be base, and you will get this base.css, and you just need to be scroll down into the end of the code, and next to this one you just need to be paste your code, and always remember you just need to add it important. This is one of the main word, you just need to add it, remember it. And let's remove our this code and let's save it, and then here I will come back and I will try to save it, and now come back to this and let's try to refresh it. As you can see, it is working perfectly. So in this two way you can use it or utilize it for you. Which one you think is easiest way, you can go with that. Like both are valid and both are working for every themes in Shopify. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, then you can ask me without any hesitation. I will try my best to give all the answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video till the end.